everyone, so let's define monorepo. A monorepo is a single version controlled code repository that contains multiple projects, applications or libraries. So in this section, we are going to talk about what is monorepo, why should we use it, and how should we use it. So a monorepo is like a single version controlled repository holding the code of multiple projects. Right? It contains the shared dependencies and it used to share across different projects. It has a unified build, testing and deployment workflow. A single source of truth for collaboration. That means like if you have multiple teams and if you have a monorepo, then they can collaborate on the same platform. Okay, what are different tools which are available which provides a monorepo solution? That is Lerna, Nx, Turborepo and many more. So why should we use a monorepo? I mean, first of all, let's try to understand. When you have a different applications, hundreds of microservices, different UI library, assets library, you are building those applications separately. You are testing those applications separately. So what if we start using monorepo? We can have a single monorepo where we can run all the test cases together. Right? So these are the example use cases. Let's say we have a React web app website, Chrome extensions, React native mobile app, which has a shared UI component and a shared style guide, a shared asset library. So in that case, it's better to create a monorepo and put this web app 1, web app 2 and a native mobile app and the library which has a shared component. So overall repository, it has one repository, it has a shared dependency across projects inside of one single folder, easy to share code and utilities because you are working on a same repository. You are not reusing utilities from other repository. All teams all working in a unified way, common guidelines to work on the repository, a single CI/CD setup for all the projects. So those are actually different advantages of using a monorepo. Here we can scale it and we can optimize the CI/CD, all those things. So this is called a monorepo, and let's dive in more about monorepo.